What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. This video is sponsored by Evil Energy. They sent me a vented oil catch can that we're going to install today on the canned Silverado. So let's pull it in the shop and just jump straight to the video.
Life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
Go ahead and install the catch can that Evil Energy sent me, and we're gonna unbox it right now. So this is the whole kit that you'll receive. I'll put a link in the description below for this kit. Anyways, unlike the Ram one that was a sealed, pretty simple setup, this one is a petcock and it is a vented one also, because we are gonna boost this. We are doing turbos, so any companies that want to sponsor this build, I'd like to put a GT45 GT45 turbo on this. No intercooler setup, we just need intercooler piping because we were going to bed mount the turbo, and then I got to figure out some sort of auxiliary oil tank because that's going to be cool too. So we're going to go ahead and go that route. Anyway, so here is the oil catch can from Evil Energy. Pop this off. You can see everything is -10, nicely welded, pretty good quality. And we're going to mount this. I would like to mount it down there if I can, right on that frame rail right there. That way, every time we do an oil change, we could just empty the oil can as well. Real quick, I am trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by 2026. So if you can, hit the subscribe button. It's free, and it also helps me out. Enjoy the video. Now, like I said, it is vented. So right here should be the filter, and it is. So here is the air filter for the catch can, which, kind of goes right on top of there. We have -10 line. Whole roll of it, which I do have more if we need it, since we're going to be putting it so far away. Looks like we got some Teflon tape, an Evil Energy sticker, and a bunch of 10 AN lines, as well as the petcock. So we're going to go ahead and get this catch can all put together, and then start installing it. Thinking about putting it right here. That way when it's up in the air and you're changing the oil, don't worry about my leaking rack. One thing at a time. When I'm changing the oil, you just go ahead and hit that and drain that as well. Try to make it as easy as possible. So I'm thinking about just riv nutting it to the frame. I think that's going to be the best placement for it right now. And then it came with a bunch of 90s, so we can just 90 those 10 AN lines up, kind of go that way with it. Like, screw in there, keep it away from everything. Yeah, I think that's the best way. I pulled it outside because they were playing music. So we got catch can all installed. Nothing seems to be leaking, but it could be too early to tell. Yeah, I got everything as good looking as I can get it. No oil in there yet, so that's good. Don't have a ton of blow by. If you guys don't know, I freshly rebuilt this whole engine. All new bearings, cam bearings, gapped the piston rings, everything like that. And that's my first engine I've ever built. Those 2-10 lines run behind the PCM. Down there you can see, can you see it? Yeah, you see it there, the Evil Energy logo right there. That is the top of the oil catch can. And then the lines run right here. It's right here. Now I might have these mixed up, but in my thought process was the oil coming from the valve cover, coming this way, goes to the bottom of the can, and then the air coming back up is from the top of the can, so that way you don't suck in any oil. That was kind of my thought process, so that could be wrong, I don't know. But huge thank you to Evil Energy for sponsoring today's video. So I thank you, Evil Energy. You guys are one of the best companies, and love to have you guys on the channel. Looks great. Installed it way better than the Ram. But yeah, let's get back to working on this truck.